Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So this is going to be a quick update on Spa coin or Sperax. As you may already know that I have covered this coin pretty much all the time. So this is from my last video. As you can see here, what I said that if we do see a breakout here, it could be going up. So at this breakout, as you can see, we also got the perfect entry and it has actually gone up a lot. So it's around 50% up from our last entry. So this was a pretty big development. So in terms of what will happen next, it has actually broken its resistance. So I think if it does retest here or at these points, I think it could be going up above. So as of now, it has yet to break its all-time high, I believe. So let's just look at its all-time high on the on here. So its all-time high is a lot higher, but as of now it has broken its resistance on the Coinbase, as you can see, which is pretty high. So in terms of what happened here, I think it's purely out of the technical analysis. There was nothing, no news or anything. Even their Twitter is actually dead as of now. They have nothing going on. If we do look at their newsletters, there is nothing going on as well here. I have covered the Demeter 2.0, but nothing else is going on. So in terms of TVL, let's just see if they have anything going on. So there is actually nothing going on with here, but this was just a breakout in the 1 hourly chart and it did this much. So I think this was because of the technical analysis, and the trader came in and took the advantage of this this situation, and whoever got the entry here actually got the perfect profit, as you can see here. So if you are planning to buy, as of now, I would just say hold, please do not get into it, because as of now it is actually a risky entry. So it could actually go down if the as you can see, its TVL has also gone down. So this pump actually comes from this technical analysis. So if you are planning to buy this, as of now, I would say please just hold, because if we look at their on-chain analysis, as you can see, this is a Coinbase address and there is a lot of selling happening. So this guy just bought around 16k and this guy bought around 7.9 million specs, but as you can see here, the rest are selling because there is a lot of sell pressure coming in, and it may not be that much, but it is a lot. As you can see here, a lot of sellers are coming in on the Coinbase and probably selling the token, as you can see here. So most of them sold around 2 hours ago, and the biggest one would be this one, as you can see, and they actually sold it. And but this guy actually bought the 3.3 million SPA as well. So there is a lot of action happening behind the back, so you have to be careful. As of now, there are sellers and buyers, and I think it could actually go up, but we need to wait for the proper entries. So the first entry, which I would say, is around here, around 0.13. If you are planning to buy, this could be a good point. If not, you can buy at this point. As you can see, this I actually drew this line a way back, and as you can see, this was a perfect retest, and after that it went back and broke the its resistance. So as it has broken its resistance, I think it actually could go up again, but it needs to consolidate a bit, and sellers need to buyers needs to come in. So as of now, it looks pretty good. As you can see here, that it has actually broken the resistance, and what we are waiting for is this Demeter 2.0. If this comes out and if it is a good one, I think it could actually be heading around 0.03 or 0.04 if it comes out. But as of now, it is a pretty risky to buy in, because it has actually pumped, and it could also pump as well, because if you look here, it has a really low market cap. That means it has much more potential to grow. So they are also burning their coins because of their protocol, so that could also be good. So if you're planning to buy, I would say just wait a little bit and get entries below here. If you had watched my previous video, you would have gotten here, but if you did not, there is no need to worry, because you can always enter again. So there is no need to get into this trend as of now. Better to wait to get entries below these levels, because there is a lot of selling happening if we look at their own channel. So if we do refresh this one and see if we have sellers coming in, so as you can see here, we do not have that much activity going on the Coinbase. So let's look at what is happening with the top holder. So I believe the top holders were these. So let's just say this guy has around, okay, so just a second, let me see what is. So let's just check these addresses and what is going on here. So if we look here, and activity, they actually bought 20 days ago, 22 days ago, and this one as well. So let's just check Ethereum wallet. So this is a Etherscan, and I think we do have what's called most of the supplies here actually. So I think we do have Gate.io, Crypto.com, and let's just check these two, Crypto.com and Gate.io, and see if there is anything going on. If so, as you can see here, these okay, so this is pretty old, not good. So if this one is also pretty old, I'm not sure what is happening here, but their Ethereum is not active actually. So let's see if they have a Coinbase here. Okay, so I don't actually see the Coinbase. So as you can see here, the Gate.io, so I think Gate.io and Crypto.com both have same addresses. Yes, as you can see here, there is a lot of activity going on, but there are buyers actually. This guy actually bought the 3.5 million, and even this one, but there are a lot sellers as well, so you have to be careful. This guy was buying pretty good, as you can see here, but he also sold to the Gate.io 3 days ago. So all of the activity is going on is on the Arbitrum address, and there is nothing going on the Ethereum. So that is pretty good, but you have to be careful because the SPA TVL is going down, but the price is going up. So there is some, that means that this is due to the technical analysis which happened there, and this breakout actually pumped it to the all-time high on the Coinbase. So you have to be careful if you're trading this. I would say just wait for these points and get in if you are interested, but as of now, if you are planning to buy, I would say just hold it, because it is not a good thing to FOMO in the trend which has already left the situation. So if we do look at the entries, I think the first entry which could be good is around here. So if this one is still not good, just a second, let me analyze something which could be good entry. So if we look here, nothing here, just a second, I'm trying. Oh yes, so this entry could also be pretty good around here. So as you can see here, around just a second, let me change its color. Okay, so if we change this one to the green, okay, so as you can see here, I think this entry could be pretty good. So around 0.013, if it does retest here, I think it could actually go up. If not, you will have to wait for the rest of the entries. The another entry which I am looking at which could be good is this one, around 0.011. so if you had actually entered at these points, which would have been pretty good, but if you did not, there is no need to worry. You can also enter at these points. These are still risky, but you can also enter it at these points. If not, you can actually enter at this point as well, so around 0.0099 and 0.0098. those are also pretty good retest points. But as of now, you have to be careful because there is nothing going on behind their back. We do not know if they have an update coming, because this could also be a whale play or those which have a news, insider news. So we have no idea what is going on behind their back, so you have to be careful trading this. So thanks for watching. I hope this update helped you. I will back with more. Thank you.